everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do a pros and cons of this beautiful Louis Vuitton Loop Hobo. I've had this for 3 months now and I have worn this a lot and have found out what is the advantage and disadvantages of owning this bag. So if you are on the fence on buying this bag, or if you are eyeing this bag, at least you'll have an idea what to expect on this bag. So let's get started. I'll start with the cons of this bag, and the first one that I've seen is it's not flattering if you will wear it crossbody and put it in front of the bag. Supposing you will wear this crossbody and you will put this in front, it looks like such a big bag and it's not flattering. It makes you look bigger and it's not flattering as it's spread out like that. It's supposed to be a hobo like this one. So in my opinion, this bag is not meant to be worn in front of the body like so. The second one is this bag, even if you wear it here at the side, it doesn't really cinch the way you want it to be. If you are the type of person who's really want a perfect hobo cinch all the time, this bag is not for you. This bag doesn't cinch the way it should be all the time. Like for example, if you put weight in here, depending on the weight of the bag and on how you put it on the side. Third con that I can see is you cannot change the strap unless you are very tall, as this bag already has like a long look to it. So if you are having those bandolier strap, it will fall longer than your hip area and it will not look flattering. And it also will put down the weight of the bag from your shoulder, as if the bag is longer, I believe the bag is also heavier, in my opinion. So if you are okay with using just this strap, then this bag is for you. Or if you have a shorter strap, then you can also put it in here, but not the bandolier Louis Vuitton strap that you have. And the last con that I can see is there's no inside pocket. As you can see, the bag is one space. There's no inside pocket here. So if you want organization in the bag, this bag is not for you. Let's go to the pros of this bag. The first pro that I can see, if you will wear this bag properly, for example, if you will put it here at the side, I find it very flattering. Like, see, this reverse monogram really make it stand out. The second pro that I can see is a very unique and flattering look here on the side because of this combo, and also with this dark leather combo here in the middle. And then the next pro that I can see is it comes with a pouch and a pretty chain. So versatility wise, you can use this pouch as its own, and also this chain strap, you can also put it in other bags, and at the same time you can change the look of the purse by using it here on your shoulder. So aside from the aesthetic look of the chain, you can also use this here at your shoulder and it looks really nice and classy if you're gonna put it here at the shoulder.
I would also like to add on the pro that this bag has no right and wrong side, as the right pattern of LV is on both of the sides. So whichever way you're gonna put it, it's always the right design of the bag. The bag also has a beautiful dark brown lining that protects your bag from dirt, and this is what it looks like inside.
The next pro that I can see is a lot of looks that you can find by using this bag, by just playing with the straps that it comes with it. And also this one is an added bonus. Like this is $3,000 and then it has added this, so you can really get much from the price that you pay for this bag. And then next one is it's very practical and it's worry-free, as you don't have to deal with water stains, or if you use this on the rain, if it's raining, you can use this easily without really stressing on the watermarks on your bag. If you have like vachette leather, this one has a dark brown color to it and the water will not stain in this leather. And also the last one is it's very functional. It can fit a lot and it secures the items with a zipper. I brought this to my recent Europe trip. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see that I brought this bag and has been using this bag for 2 weeks and visited four countries, and it has seen rain, it has seen sunlight. I've worn this non-stop. I've walked hours using this bag and it still looks good and new. I don't baby this bag, and as you can see, it still looks perfectly. I didn't see any flaws or any scratch on this bag. Even this one, it's been raining in France, Paris when we visited there, and this bag, I've been carrying this during our long walks. We don't have an umbrella. We're just trying to explore the place by walking around near our hotel, and this has been holding up so well. And this one has zipper, and I've been wearing this and it has secured all my items inside this purse. I'm gonna show you what it looks like if it has stuff on. These are the exact stuff that I brought with me. I have this pouch in here, and this is my new purse that my husband gifted me. We bought this at Rome, Italy, and have transferred all the stuff in here since I started wearing this purse. But these are the exact stuff that I brought with me during my visit in Europe. And this one is the mini pochette, and it has my hand sanitizer and 2 lipsticks. And also I have this eyeglasses case and this facial tissues and this sunscreen, and I have this Rectoverso wallet which I really love, and I also have this sunglasses with me. And the other one that I brought that's not in this bag is this Felice pouch, which I have my euros. These are all that has been left with my euros, and then also coins inside. And this is what it looks like inside the bag. So this bag, you have to really use organizers, or you have to use small cosmetic pouches to organize your stuff, as if not, then it will be difficult for you to find your stuff. But if you have small cosmetic pouch, it will organize the bag, and it is easy to find the stuff that you want to get out from this purse. I don't have any problems using this bag. I really love it. I bought this specifically because I know that we'll be traveling and I want a big bag to put my scarf inside, and also to bring all my stuff that I need to carry. And this bag has really met my expectation in carrying this for travel, and I am so glad that I chose this bag to bring with me for travel, as it is functional, it is practical, it looks pretty on if worn properly. So this is what I'm telling you. This will gonna cinch like this, or sometimes it will cinch like so. It's not really a perfect cinch, but this is a hobo bag and how it's supposed to look. So if you're okay with that, then this bag is for you. So I put it here at the side sometimes, or I will wear it crossbody here on the side, and you will see that it is flattering if you wear it at the side like so. I made some styling videos on this bag, so if you want to see some mud shots or a lot of mud shots with different kind of clothes, then please look into my previous videos, or I'm gonna link it in the description down below, so you'll be able to see how it looks like with jackets and shirts by using this purse. And here at the side, it will look like this. So it's not a perfect cinch all the time, but hobo bags are like that. So to sum it up, I am so happy with this purchase. I'm so glad that I jumped in this loop hobo. This is really a good buy for me, and I really love the combination of the reverse and this dark leather. This is 3 months old, and I've been using this. If you will look at my Instagram, you will see a lot of pictures of this bag, as I really love this, and it has held up. It doesn't have any crutches or anything. Even if I don't baby this bag, I use this a lot. This has been on several trains when we go from one country to another, and I use this on the plane. I've been using this at the museum. I've used this when we walk long hours of walk, and it has held up. This loop hobo is really a good buy for me, and if you have questions, just throw in the comments down below and I'll try to answer it. And again, I really love this loop hobo bag. Louis Vuitton will have another price increase, so I hope you'll be able to make a decision if you like this bag, and let me know what are your thoughts of this loop hobo, as I want to hear it as well. And please hit like if you find this video useful, and I hope you will subscribe. So I'll see you again next time. Bye. Take care.